Today I'm going to be showing you how to play Minecraft on your school Chromebook. So the very first thing you're going to do is head over to the link in the description below, and you're going to want to scroll down until you find the how to download the HTML file and then Minecraft on school Chromebook. Now how this works is it's going to run as an HTML file on your computer running Eagle Aircraft, which is a version of Minecraft that someone has remade. So it is essentially just a ripped version from Minecraft that has been put into an HTML format. That way you guys can play on it. So on my website, you can literally just click here and go to Eagle Aircraft, and it will launch like this. And it will also disguise this as Google Drive. That way your teachers won't know. So as you can see, we have Minecraft loading up. However, the only issue with this is if they block it, you won't be able to play on my website anymore. Here's what I recommend you doing. Go to it and click on the download and go ahead and download that. And now you will be able to click on this math slideshow.html, and it's going to run directly off of your desktop, meaning the teachers cannot block it. So the great thing about this is teachers literally cannot block this. If you go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi and then open this file, it will still run, meaning that they cannot block stuff on GoGuardian or anything like that. Now, it may be a little bit laggy on your Chromebook. You need to make sure the world loads in. So if you created a world and it's laggy at first, give it some time before moving on. But anyways, that's how you guys can play Minecraft on your school Chromebook in 2024 using the Eagle Aircraft versions.